You've seen the lineups of people gathering at new developments in Hong Kong, and they are there to attempt to purchase a property. This is when you know that there is euphoria in the system, and it has gone beyond classic supply and demand fundamentals. There is none of that here anymore, and this has all become part of this euphoria that has taken place, trying to get more people to funnel their way into fewer and fewer assets, and you will push it higher and higher until it pops. And the faster it rose up, the even faster it will fall down. Right now, people are really getting screwed, and they don't realize that they're doing this to themselves. They don't need to buy more and more and more places, but they do so anyway. The world's most expensive housing market just got even pricier. Right here, it's talking about being more expensive within the second quarter. Hong Kong's housing affordability ratio, which measures the proportion of income spent on mortgages, worsened to 67%. That is extreme. That makes Toronto and Vancouver and other places in the world seem like nothing. You can see that people have been buying based on debt, no different than what we saw during the subprime crisis, no different than what's happening today in many parts. But Hong Kong is an extreme scenario. When you look at the prices that people are paying for the homes compared to what they earn as a salary, you realize that it's not sustainable, and unfortunately people are going to become, let's just say they're going to be in big trouble. China's top targets, US, Hong Kong's most popular destination for overseas real estate investments. You can see that it's very clear here, 43%. And what surprised me about this was that Canada wasn't even on here. I mean, they're in the others, I'm sure, but wasn't even listed. So that is something interesting to me. And you can see the other markets as well. Whether it's Australia, Hong Kong, UK, you can see that China is purchasing a large amount of real estate overseas. Scorching housing, Hong Kong's existing home price surged to a record on July 30th. And that is an index that they're referring to. But essentially what we're seeing here is consistently rising prices, and to a great degree as well. I mean, you can see that it's only, this chart's showing you here for, let's say, 2 years, and it's really accelerated in the last few years. So it doesn't seem to be stopping at any point. And when the dominoes fall, it will unfortunately hurt a lot of people. So that's my message for today. Just sort of a market recap for what's going on in Hong Kong. I'm going to leave it there. If you found this video informative, please give me a thumbs up. Remember that you need to support the channel now more than ever because of what YouTube is doing. So if you can give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment on the videos, I'd appreciate that. If you want to look through my books, they're at Amazon. Links are in the description below. You can actually flip through the pages of them over there, so check that out definitely. I've got links to VidMe, which is sort of like YouTube, but it's a great way to diversify out of YouTube. If you don't want to be a part of what YouTube is doing, then I'm also posting all of my videos on VidMe as well as Steemit. So you could check me out over there. They're on Facebook and Twitter as well. But definitely check me out on either Steemit or VidMe, and I post everything on there now. So you can check me out there. I posted a video, just to give you an update here. I posted a video a few hours ago, and it was about lottery tickets. And perhaps by the time you see this video, you may have already seen the other video. But immediately when I posted it, they demonetized it. Usually it takes a little while, or at least previously. Now, as soon as I posted it, The video is about lottery tickets and how people spend money on the lottery tickets and how the states get a lot of that money and this and that. But that's not controversial at all. That's not hate speech. That's nothing. What they say is not advertiser friendly. It's just the censorship level is incredible because it's not to do with censoring certain types of content. It's censoring certain individuals, and it really, truly pisses me off very much. This really, it's a big blow to me. Not because of, if I was talking about some of the things that I see on YouTube and my channel or my videos were getting taken down, I could understand. But videos that are absolutely not controversial at all, and immediately when I put them up, YouTube will demonetize them. I don't know what's going on. I'm not happy. It's 1984. It's Brave New World. It's everything that I've talked about, and it's happening to me specifically, and of course others, many others. But I'm seeing it firsthand. And they don't want freedom of speech. They clearly don't.